Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Basic information.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine. What is your name?
My name is Alice. What's your name?
My name is David. Where are you from?
I am from Italy. And you?
I am from Colombia. How old are you?
I am 22 years old. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. What do you do?
I am a teacher. And you?
I'm a bank manager. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like cricket. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What is yours?
My favorite color is green. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza. What about you?
I like to eat pasta. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream. What is your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate. And yours?
I like vanilla ice cream. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little. Can you cook?
No, I can't cook. You like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. Have you visited any country?
Yes, I have visited Japan. Have you visited any country?
No, I have never traveled outside my country. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. What about you?
I also like reading. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you read it?
Yes, I have read it. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Stardust, and yours?
I like Frozen. Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have a one brother. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music. What do you do?
I watch TV. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9:30 p.m. And you?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Daily routine.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and take a shower. What about you?
I wake up, exercise, and eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat bread and eggs with butter and 1 glass of milk. What do you eat?
I eat fruits and cereals. What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8:30 a.m. What time do you go?
I go to at 7:30 a.m. How do you go to work?
I go by bus. How do you go?
I go by car. What do you do at work?
I write emails and talk to the customers. What do you do?
I teach students. When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1:30 p.m. When do you eat?
I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. What do you do after work?
I go home and take rest. What about you?
I go home and read books. Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym. Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk. What do you do at night?
I eat dinner and relax. What do you do?
I watch TV and listen to the music. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m. And you?
I sleep at 9:30 p.m.
Shopping.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping. Where do you shop?
I shop at the mall. Where do you shop?
I shop online and at the market. What do you buy?
I buy clothes and shoes. What do you buy?
I buy food and electronics. How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week. How about you?
I go shopping twice a month. Do you like buying clothes?
I love buying clothes. What about you?
Yes, I love buying new clothes. What is your favorite color for clothes?
I like blue clothes. What color do you like?
I like green and sky blue clothes. Do you buy things online?
I buy things online. Do you?
Yes, I buy clothes and shoes online. Do you like discounts?
Yes, I always looks for discounts. Do you?
Yes, I love discounts and sales. Do you use credit card for shopping?
No, I use a cash. Do you use a credit card?
Yes, I use a credit card sometimes. Do you shop alone or with friends?
I shop with the friends and you?
I shop alone most of the time. What is the last thing bought?
I bought a new jacket. What about you?
I bought a new phone case.
Travel.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy visiting new places. Have you traveled to another country?
Yes, I have been to Japan. Have you traveled to another country?
No, but I want to. Where do you want to go?
I want to go Colombia. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Italy. Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like airplane. Do you?
Yes, but I also like trains. Do you travel alone or with family?
I travel with family and you?
I travel with friends. What do you take when you travel?
I take my clothes, my phone, my camera. What about you?
I take my clothes, snakes, and my phone. Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, I like nice hotels. Do you?
Yes, but I also like homestays. What is your favorite travel memory?
My favorite memory is seeing the Taj Mahal. What about you?
My favorite memory is visiting the beach. Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I like the beach and you?
I like mountains. Do you take a lots of photos when you travel?
Yes, I take many photos, do you?
Yes, I love photography. What is the best food you have eaten while traveling?
I ate sushi in Japan. It was delicious. What about you?
I ate pasta in Italy. It was amazing.
Hobbies and free time.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books. What about you? I like to read books. What about you? Yes, I like a art and craft. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like playing football. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like badminton. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball. Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch football matches. Do you watch sports?
Yes, I watch cricket sometimes. Do you play any music instrument?
No, I don't. Do you?
I play piano. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing. Do you?
No, I am not good at dancing. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing. Do you?
No, I can't draw well. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Do you cook?
Sometimes I cook simple meals. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. What do you like to cook?
I like to make sandwiches. Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games with my friends. Do you?
Yes, I like adventure games. What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Final Fantasy. What about you?
I like playing The Black Gate.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!